Russian President Vladimir Putin has officially overseen the launch of the Perm, a cutting-edge nuclear-powered attack submarine of the Yasen-M class. Named after the Ural city of Perm, this submarine is the sixth in the Yasen/Yasen-M series and the first Russian nuclear vessel to come standard with the formidable 3M-22 Zircon hypersonic cruise missile. The construction of this state-of-the-art submarine began on July 29, 2016, at the Sevmash shipyard in Severodvinsk. Its launch marks a significant step in Russia's naval expansion efforts, with plans for it to become operational by 2026. The Perm showcases several modifications from earlier Project 885M submarines to accommodate the Zircon missile system. Unlike its predecessors, it was specifically designed from the ground up to deploy these hypersonic weapons. The submarine is the second in Russian naval history to bear the name Perm, following the B-292 Perm, a Project 671 RTMK class vessel that served from 2002 to 2005. Belonging to the Yasen-M class, Project 885M, a refined version of the original Yasen-class submarines, the Perm was developed by the Malachit Marine Engineering Bureau under Chief Designer Vladimir Pyalov. Sevmash, a division of the United Shipbuilding Corporation, has been responsible for constructing Yasen-class submarines since 2009. The company has delivered multiple submarines under Russia's state defense program, including Kazan, 2021, Novosibirsk, 2021, Krasnoyarsk, 2023, and Arkhangelsk, 2024. Additional submarines, such as Ulyanovsk, Voronezh, and Vladivostok, are currently under construction, with plans for more units, including Bratsk. The Perm is powered by a KTP-6-185 SP pressurized water-cooled nuclear reactor, generating an impressive 200 megawatts, approximately 268,204 horsepower. Its propulsion system, which includes a single shaft with a low-noise propeller and additional thrusters, allows it to achieve speeds of up to 31 knots submerged and 16 knots on the surface. The fourth-generation nuclear reactor offers an operational lifespan of 25 to 30 years without requiring midlife refueling, further enhancing the submarine's endurance. With a maximum diving depth of 600 meters and an operational depth of 520 meters, the Perm is built to operate underwater for up to 100 days. The vessel has a submerged displacement of 13,800 tons and a surface displacement of 8,600 tons, slightly lighter than previous Yasen-M models. Measuring 130 meters in length, with a beam of 13 meters and a draft of 9.4 meters, the submarine accommodates a crew of 64 personnel. Equipped with 10 torpedo tubes of 533 mm caliber, positioned in the midsection at an angle due to the large spherical sonar array in the bow, the Perm can launch a variety of torpedoes, including USE-80, Physic-2, and case models, as well as naval mines. The submarine's 8 vertical launch systems can carry different missile configurations, such as P-800 Onyx anti-ship cruise missiles, 3M-22 Zircon nuclear-capable hypersonic cruise missiles, and 3M-14 caliber cruise missiles. For additional defense, the vessel carries man-portable air defense systems, manpads, such as the Igla or Verba. The Zircon missile, now a standard feature on the Perm, is a Russian hypersonic cruise missile developed by the Tactical Missiles Corporation, KTRV. Measuring between 8 and 9.5 meters in length, with a warhead weighing up to 400 kilograms, the missile can target both naval and land-based threats. It reaches speeds of Mach 9, approximately 11,025 kilometers per hour, and has an estimated operational range of 400 to over 1,000 kilometers. Using an inertial navigation system with an active radar seeker, the Zircon flies at an altitude of 30 to 40 kilometers to minimize air resistance, extending both its speed and range. While touted as difficult to intercept, international air defense systems like THAAD, SM-3, SM-6, Patriot PAC-3, and Aster-30 claim to have the capability to engage such high-speed targets in their terminal phase. The launch of the Perm signals Russia's commitment to strengthening its naval power. President Putin emphasized plans to increase both the production rate and the technological advancement of Russia's naval fleet, particularly focusing on strategic underwater assets. During a visit to Murmansk, Putin also toured the nuclear submarine Arkhangelsk and the Atomflot facility, which oversees Russia's icebreaker fleet. Andrei Puchkov, head of the United Shipbuilding Corporation, confirmed that Sevmash will continue to receive government contracts, ensuring ongoing modernization and technological upgrades. Russia's investment in new submarines and shipbuilding projects aims to secure its maritime borders, maintain control over the Northern Sea route, and bolster national defense across multiple regions. The Yasen class, Project 885, known in NATO as the Grainy class, was conceived to replace older Soviet-era submarines such as the Akula and Oscar II classes. Unlike previous double-hull designs, Yasen-class submarines are built primarily from low-magnetic steel and feature advanced automation. The design integrates a hybrid hull structure and updated electronic systems, including a large spherical bow sonar array, which necessitated relocating the torpedo tubes to the midsection. The first submarine of the class, Syeverodvinsk, was laid down in 1993, launched in 2010, and commissioned in 2014. While Syeverodvinsk remains the only Project 885 submarine, all subsequent units, including the Perm, are based on the improved Project 885M design. Western defense analysts have noted that while Yasen-class submarines are quieter than their Soviet predecessors, they may still be noisier than the latest U.S. Navy models, such as the Seawolf and Virginia classes. The Yasen-M class represents a significant leap in Russian submarine technology. With improvements in hydrodynamics, sonar capabilities, and noise reduction, these submarines are expected to form the backbone of Russia's fourth-generation multipurpose fleet. 8 units have been laid down, with 5 already launched or commissioned: Kazan, 2021, Novosibirsk, 2021, Krasnoyarsk, 2023, Arkhangelsk, 2024, and now Perm, 2025. 3 more, Ulyanovsk, Voronezh, and Vladivostok, are under construction, and Bratsk is set to be laid down in 2025. Some of these submarines will be armed with extended-range caliber M missiles capable of striking targets up to 4,500 kilometers away. The launch of the Perm marks a major milestone for the Russian Navy, integrating advanced hypersonic strike capabilities into its submarine fleet. With further expansions planned, the Yasen-M class is set to play a crucial role in Russia's maritime defense strategy for years to come.